Hi, welcome to Sparkle's Kitchen. We are baking today. I was at the grocery store last week and I saw these Bailey's Original Irish Cream baking chips. And we do like Bailey's in our coffee every once in a while. I thought that sounds like something that would be fun to experiment with. It's December, the season for baking anyway. So we are going to make Bailey's Irish Cream Chip Brownies. I do have my assistant with me here today. I will take you over and show you. Yep, that's Cannon. Super helpful. He supervises me while I cook. So we are going to start with a half cup of melted butter. And to that, we are going to stir in a cup of sugar, 2 eggs, and a teaspoon of vanilla. Now we're going to add a half cup of flour and a third of a cup of baking cocoa. I've got the Ghirardelli bag right here. And let me come show you what this looks like. Alright, we are going to add our chocolate chips, our Bailey's chips. We had to take a little break because this little man decided he wanted to be in the video. So here he is, now he's happy. So I put the entire bag of Bailey's Irish Cream chips in this brownie mix. Don't tell me that's too many chips. I think that's just the right amount of chips. So just stirring this up, and I was thinking that this would be really good with a splash of Bailey's cream, but we don't have any Bailey's cream in the house. So I grabbed our Amaretto, and I'm going to put a splash of this in because I feel like that will just make it better. So I open that up and just put a little splash of Amaretto. So Matt is out all day today, and I thought while the brownies are cooking, I'm going to surprise him by setting up our base camp, two-way radio, emergency radio with walkie-talkie system. Something we've been talking about for a long time. Since we moved in, really, get this set up so that he can have the walkie-talkie outside and I can have one inside along with the base camp, and we can communicate that way. It's kind of silly to use our cell phones at our own house. So I'm excited to get this set up and surprise him when he gets home. So it's a little dusty, probably because the last time we had it out was when we were remodeling and everything was a construction zone. So I'm just wiping everything down as I take it out of the box here. So this is it. This is base camp. Okay, so I need to get this plugged in. Okay, so I've got everything set up. This is the base camp unit. It's got AM, FM, and then right now I have it set to the walkie-talkie channels. And then these are the 2 walkie-talkies charging. They are completely dead, so I can't test them out right now. And then on the base camp model, there is this thing on the back, which is its own little walkie-talkie. Alright, our brownies are done. Our little assistant, let me show you, is sleeping. And we are about to take the brownies out of the oven. So let's take a look. Looking pretty good. The brownies are cold and I've got a slice, which of course, first slice coming out of the pan fell apart, with some whipped cream I am about to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Thanks for subscribing. We'll see you next time on the farm. Bye.